Today we are in Barneveld, New York at one of the Acadia properties. This is the Scenic Orchard shipping container home that is tucked in the foothills of the Adirondack Mountains with views that are breathtaking. Let's go inside and show you around. So on this half of the shipping container, you have your kitchen and dining area. This kitchen is a full functioning and stocked kitchen, and they have loaded it with a bunch of goodies and surprises just to make you feel so taken care of while you're here, and just an intentional detail.
Lots of sweet treats.
Right up my alley. I had a good old time. If you have a sweet tooth like me, this place is perfect because they have hidden goodies everywhere, including a Shirley Temple and chocolates. Really enjoying this place, and I'm gonna crack this thing open. So. Very sweet.
A little too much?
Oh, no, it's perfect. It's perfect.
Even in this small space, they're super intentional with how they've set it up so you can enjoy everything that's here. For example, this custom built dining table by the owners, it's built into the window to give the maximum amount of surface area, but not take away from the need to walk through the kitchen too.
Sure.
And then of course, they've got plenty of games for while you're here to play.
Which y'all know we love.
Oh yes. Some of them are even more modern games. It's not just the classic
Classics.
Monopoly, Scrabble. It's like Exploding Kittens, Here to Slay by the Unstable Unicorns, Bananagrams.
Bravo.
Just some good stuff.
So good. Ah! Are you dead?
I'm dead.
Woo!
And of course, 2 giant windows to enjoy the view while you're sitting and having a meal.
Hayden, let's cozy up. Come on. Come on. So, living space, very comfortable couch, blanket, but a really clever thing that they did here was the double doors in front of us have windows so you can see the view, but they also open up to
a projector and movie screen. So you have a movie viewing experience in a shipping container home, which is just such a cool feature that we haven't seen in a container.
Yeah.
So that's pretty special.
And I enjoy the heated floors, so it stays nice and cozy in here, even though it's so cold outside. Don't have to worry about that. But yes, it's attached right to the patio, and probably one of my favorite things is the fire table outside.
Yeah.
It's custom made and huge and just beautiful.
The owners built it themselves, so it's got a little personal touch there. And then of course, lots of string lights over the roof so you can enjoy it night and day, and even when it's raining too. Now let's check out what's left. This container home is 280 total square feet. It's one 40-foot shipping container, and the hosts were incredibly intentional in building this according to where it's set on their property. It actually sits within an old apple orchard. That's why it's called the Scenic Orchard. And from everywhere within this house, you can enjoy the beautiful view of the countryside, including this bathroom. The toilet, if you leave the door open, you can do your business and enjoy that view. The bathroom has a beautiful walk-in shower with a rainfall shower head and has plenty of space for you to get ready. Back in here is the bedroom with a queen bed. It's a purple mattress. We slept on it last night and it was fantastic. Up here in the corner is a TV. And of course, my favorite part are the windows that surround the bed so you can literally wake up to this gorgeous view out here. And the hosts provide robes and slippers for probably most people's favorite part, the hot tub, which sits right out here under the roof. It's the perfect spot to soak up this property, which is the first of 2 that Emily, her brother Gabe, and their father designed and built together. The other one is called Hickory Outlook. It's a beautiful modern tiny home that we also got to stay at, so you have to go check that out too. Gabe did an incredible job designing both of these. He created blueprints that are for sale too, so if you're interested in building something like this, you can go to acadia.com for that. And Emily did a wonderful job designing the interior and pulling together all of these elements for an incredible experience. If you want to stay here at the Scenic Orchard, we will link it down in the description below. Please be sure to like the video, comment down below, what do you think of this place, and subscribe to our channel because we've got a lot of incredible properties coming out.